to wrap the world in thrall. Jan van O, my child, my joy, my love and heart's desire. The crickets sing you lullaby beside the dying fire. Dusk is drawn and the green man's thorn is wreathed in rings of fog. Shivra sails his boat till dawn upon the starry bog. Alian van O, the fairy moon, hath brimmed her cusk in dew, and weeps to hear the sad sleep tune. I sing my love to you. Alian van O, my child, my joy, my love and heart's desire. The cricket